Hello, youth volunteers. I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy during this quarantine time that we're experiencing right now. I just wanted to check in with you guys during this and touch base with you guys about some of our ambassador animals. My name's Tessa. If you guys haven't met me yet, I am the guest engagement here at the aquarium. So I'm in charge of caring for our ambassador animals, among other things, but that's mainly what I do. And this is one of our ambassadors right here. So this is Nyx. She is one of our baby gators that we have. And I am really happy that we have gators here at the aquarium. And that's because they're really great education animals for our guests. One of those reasons that is because the American alligator, which what Nyx is native to Louisiana. So it's always a great opportunity to educate our guests about native animals. And on top of that, Nyx is a keystone species. So keystone species are really great things to educate guests about for a variety of reasons. One, they're really easy to explain, and it's really easy to emphasize the importance of an animal that has that role. There are a couple of different ways that you can describe them. Two of the ones that I like to use anyway, are like the keystone of a doorway. So when you look at a doorway, and a lot of doorways anyways, at the middle of the arc on the top, there is this thing called a keystone. And if you were to remove that keystone, the entire arc would collapse. That's actually where the term got its name. So that is just kind of an indicator of like the different animals in an ecosystem rely on a keystone species. Another example is like having, this is what I use with like younger kids, is like the lead role in a play, and how like all the other characters in the play rely on that, something like that, because keystone species are crucial for the health of an ecosystem, because a lot of other animals rely on that animal. So you're probably wondering, how is Nyx a keystone species? So Nyx is a keystone species because she and her wild counterparts can make gator holes. So she has these little claws here, she has her strong tail, and they can dig in swampy areas to make a gator hole. So it's like a deeper depression in swampy ecosystems, where they can hide primarily. Probably know that they are ambush predators, so they like to hide and ambush their prey. And also just hiding and chilling out is a huge portion of being a gator. So those gator holes actually come in handy during dry seasons. So when a lot of other water sources dry up, other animals rely on gator holes for water sources. So from mammals to amphibians to fish, a bunch of different animals rely on this keystone species ability to make gator holes. So what I want to challenge you guys is to find other keystone species that are in Louisiana or this part of the country. There are a bunch, and it's also just something really interesting to learn about, a really great thing to educate guests about, and also something that you can really drive home conservation messaging with. So again, thanks for hanging out with me. My name is Tessa. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me during this time. Have a lot of downtime besides, caring for these gators. And yeah, I hope you guys stay healthy and that I get to see you guys soon.